Aloha gang, we are back at the market. Oh shit. Aloha gang, we're back at the market. We're gonna get some dinner. Let's see, we got seafood here. We got octopus, squid, more squid, shrimp. We got fresh seafood. Oh, we got urchin here. Got grilled shrimp. Oh, nice open air restaurant. This looks great. Let's try out the food. Okay, so oysters here, they are grilled with either like a green onion oil or with pomai, which is cheese, and then this is the sea urchins that we got grilling. I think these are our oysters. We got the big sea urchins with the same cheese and also green onion. Yeah.
Hai con là hai con bự.
Yeah.
Hai con mình kêu tới bốn
Bốn con, nãy kêu 4 con. Yeah.
Dạ rồi.
So we got the big sea urchins, which is these ones over here. Okay, so they recommend do not eat the sea urchin because it is from the day before, and they recommend that you cook it or else you'll get a stomach ache. And then let's check it out. Oh, we have Vietnamese pizza. Oh, this looks good. Nice. We'll try that after. Got more fried stuff, more food. Got more restaurants down here. All right. I think that should be good. We're just gonna check out the food. Hopefully it doesn't suck. Everything's been good so far, so I think we should be okay. Oh, there's more Vietnamese. This place is popping, man, at this time. This is the cheese with sea urchin and peanut and yeah. Okay, we're gonna try the sea urchin. Let's see how good it tastes. Có muốn không? Okay, I got a spoon. Let me try it out. Take a scoop. Sống nó ngon á, nó ngọt á. Yeah. Not bad. Alright, this is the pomai, which is pomai is Vietnamese for like cheese. So let's try a scoop with this. So sea urchin with cheese. The cheese is kind of weird. Can't really taste the cheese or the sea urchin. The other one was better. This is 1 kilo of oysters with the green onion, oil, peanut sauce on it. Okay, let's try this.
Ngon rồi.
Cái này là bữa nào cũng không. Để cho
Chép biết hả? Mấy bà chặt. Gái ơi, con gái. Tính giấy tỏi. Dạ, tính tích hiện tại bên em là 1 kg 350. 1 kg giấy tỏi.
chia được không?
Chia ra cái găng me cái chất được không? 1 kg găng me 1 kg giấy tỏi.
Hey, it's pretty good with the sauce. Yeah, so on to the next dish. This is raw fish salad with I think like onion and whatever like a lemon dressing, and then yeah, you're supposed to eat it with the vegetables, and you're gonna wrap it up, and I think you put the coconut inside and the noodles, and you dip it in the fish sauce. Oh, also you put the coconut inside the fish. And you mix it up. Okay, I'm gonna try it without the wrap first.
Ôi cái gì mà hết trơn vậy trời. Phát tiền.
No sour. It doesn't taste raw. It tastes like slightly cooked. So yeah, not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up and then try to dip it in the fish sauce. Alright, let's try this. Oh wow. This is really good. It's like all the veggies and everything in there, and the sauce. Wow. Okay. This is the garlic. I think this is the shrimp or the mantis. Yeah. Right. All right, so this is the meat removed from the shrimp. Oh, it's kind of sweet. I think that's egg. Okay, I think it's not as sweet as a regular shrimp, but it's okay. Tried it with the sauce. Tried it with the sauce here.
Gái nghe nè gái ơi, nghe nè. Cái bia này có 23 lon. Dạ sao? Cái thùng bia này có 23 lon. Dạ đúng rồi em đang lại á, để em rã lên. Không nói trước. Nhưng mà nó đi trước lon. Nấu cho nó.
The same shrimp with the tamarind sauce. Clam with peanut, green onion, and oil. Oh, that's kind of interesting texture on the inside. It's kind of chewy and crunchy at the same time. Okay. Let's try the other half with the fish sauce. The total is 1,125,000. Okay, đúng không? All right, let's cruise to the market. There's no light, can't see shit. There's really nothing more down here, man. Everybody's back there drinking. It's kind of quiet. What? Huh? All right, I think we're gonna call it a night. Well, not really call it a night, but we're gonna buy some food snacks, and then go back to the hotel and drink some more. Can't drink here. The road is kind of far, so if we got too drunk, it's gonna be like really hard to drive. So, yep, we're just gonna get some snacks and call it a day. Bye. Let's see. Buy one.
Bay quanh.
One chăng nữa.
Bay quanh.
Yeah.
Bán em cái. Em muốn ăn này thôi.
Thôi không ăn.
Đó là bánh trứng nướng á chị, ăn kèm với xoài với rau răm. Một dĩ bán chị. Bán cho em chị. Một dĩ.
Cái tiền. Tôi. Sausage.
Vậy bánh xào không?
Yeah.
Thơm
Thơm á.
Cô nói thơm nè.
Oh, thơm á.
Hoàng thử thì ngon á.
Yeah.
Không giỡn đâu.
This is quail.
Mango.
Yes. Hả?
Phải hơn người ta.
Oh.
Đây xếp này.
Từng ớt. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Dạ, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Tương ớt.
Yeah, so it turned out the place we're staying at, they stopped service at about 6:30, so we couldn't find any beer. But now we found beer, and yeah, I don't know where we're at, but we went up like a little bit more, like to the west, and found some restaurants and a place that sells beer and ice and cups. So mission successful.